One of the lesser used features of Inventor CAM is creating and using templates. If a component has strategies that can be replicated onto another, irrespective of geometry, then creating a template can reduce programming time considerably. It's simply a case of highlighting the required strategies, right-clicking and saving as a template. It's then a case of opening up the second model, right-clicking on the setup and selecting Create from Template. The entire template can be selected or just individual features if required. Those strategies can now be modified by selecting the geometry, changing the tools, verifying heights, or changing cutting depths, etc. A real benefit of this feature is the reduction of time it takes to create numerous strategies, therefore improving workflow.